Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Hope your day is going awesome. So today I will be showing you how to make beef short ribs. So delicious classic beef short ribs. So that'll be pretty awesome. So stick around for that. And don't forget to give the video a like. I can do that now if you want. And also don't forget to subscribe. There's a ton of other videos on my channel, so you want to definitely check that out. And let's get started with our beef short ribs. Alright, going to season up our short ribs. That was pepper, a little bit of salt, then we're going to sear these guys off. Flip them over. Short ribs. All right, looking good. Now we can get them all seared up. Just heating up the oil for the short ribs, and then we're gonna sear them up. Okay, searing short ribs. I know that oil's hot now. Yes, I'll be doing the short ribs in the pressure cooker again. So, yeah, they're holds in a lot of flavor. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good sear. What I was talking about, the nice sear, right there. That's a good. That's a good one. Yeah, see that sear? Want that all sides, right? Always sear your meat. Alright, so our short ribs are in the pressure cooker. Now we're going to put 1 cup of chicken stock and 1 cup of the red wine. Toss that in there. And I use a nice Chilean wine, Cabernet Sauvignon, so that's a good one to use. Also about a cup of beef stock as well. It's gonna add a bit more stock because you want the you just want the liquid to cover these short ribs, not completely submerged, but quite close. So I'll show you that. Yeah, the short ribs are just slightly submerged into the pot there. Not quite, they're a little bit submerged, but that's kind of what I was talking about, so you want to make sure you do that. Alright, so we're going to toss some carrots, and I have like a few herb stems and rosemary, sage, thyme, so toss the carrots in there. Nice veggies. And I also have some garlic in there as well. This is some celery, and of course, I just use stems and rough chopped herbs. Toss that in there. And onions. And a few more stems. A couple bay leaves. Always adds a nice flavor. And there you have it. There's your your stock. I'm just gonna add a touch more chicken stock or turkey stock I actually had, so that's totally fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna let these short ribs go for an hour, and when they come, and I'll show you the finished product when they come out of the pressure cooker. And all I'm gonna do is strain the stock. After the stock is strained, then I'm gonna make gravy, and then there's your short ribs. A couple of things going on here. So what I did is I took the short ribs were completed with the veggies, whatever. So this is the stock that was there. So I strained that, and then there's the lovely short ribs that I took out of the pot, right? Yeah. So that's that. And what I'm gonna do with the stock is I'm going to reduce this by half, and that'll be our gravy for our short ribs, and then I'll make some veggies with that, so I'll show you that next. Think it's just simple potatoes and carrots idea, nothing too fancy. It's short ribs, right? Always salt your water, very important. Make some veggies with carrots and some potatoes. I'm gonna toss the potatoes are boiling, so I'm gonna toss the carrots in with them. So. Yeah, just some simple veggies with the short ribs. What I did is I reduced it by half, and now what I'm gonna do is show you how to thicken the gravy, and then pretty simple. Yeah, I'm gonna fry some mushroom, onions, some garlic, some herbs, right? And then finish off the gravy, so I'll show you how all that comes together. I'm just heating getting the sauce, even reducing more of the concentrated beef stock for the gravy. And now what I'm doing is heating up the pan for for mushrooms, some onions, and some herbs, right? They go with their gravy for the stock. And I got the veggies going, so we're right on track. Olive oil in the pan. Heat that up. Get that going. All right. Yeah, it's not going to take too long to heat up. Onions. Yeah, the oil is heating up, so it's all good. Swing up those onions. Need some salt, pepper, make sure onions get all happy. Saute them up. Skim our stock here. Stocks. That's always like stocks and gravy. Skim, and more skimming. So, right. Onions are getting happy. Toss in some mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms. Oh, always so good with beef. Just kind of a meaty mushroom, just really complements the beef, so I definitely like that. Saute up. Touch more salt. Pepper. Pepper. This is our cornstarch for our gravy. Toss that in there. Yeah, we'll always skim a little more. Non-stop skimming. Cornstarch. That's cornstarch in cold water. Whisk it all in. Onions there, mushrooms. All right. Usually when you saute mushrooms, you'll notice they'll soak up some juice there, so it's more oil in there. Saute. think we're almost ready for some herbs in there. Oh yeah. We'll get our short ribs reheated there. Perfect. Alright. Herbs. Now with some garlic. My famous rosemary, sage, thyme. Boom. Yeah, just gonna saute that up. Watch our gravy here. Boy. Veggies are pretty, they're pretty much done. Yeah, I guess a really good birthday meal. Cool. Short ribs, some veggies, some mushrooms, onions. Why not, right? Alright. Yeah, so those are pretty happy there. Turn the fire down. And I'm doing the usual with the gravy, the lemon juice, the a bit more salt, pepper, and sugar, and that's pretty much your finished gravy. And sometimes I finish with a touch of butter, always good. Touch of salt, pepper. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Sugar. Turn the heat down a little on this. Alright, sugar. Just a little bit. Okay. Lemon for the gravy. Alright. The old taste test there. Alright. Gravy. All right. Did forget to do something. Beer. That was a bit of beer. Add just a bit more acid to the short rib thing. Boom. Okay. Short ribs. Cook up that beer there a bit. And I pretty much cooked the short ribs the other day, so I'm just kind of reheating them with a little bit of beer and some gravy there. Beautiful looking short ribs there. Take a look. Yum, yum, yum. So delicious. Dump some gravy on there. Oh, look at that. Oh, the gravy. Oh yeah, perfect. Let those kind of heat up. Looking good. Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna let those heat up, and do the same thing with the veggies. I always put like a tablespoon of butter, seasoning, up, plate, done. So simple, but pretty awesome. Yeah, I can show you the final plating is pretty simple. Just want to add a bit of flavor, a bit more herbs. Oh yeah, we're gonna add them all in there. Rosemary, sage, thyme, flavor. All right. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. Butter. Melt that up there. Veggies. Pepper. Tell you these two ingredients, you gotta remember when you're cooking. Salt, pepper, super important. I was like a touch of water in there. There we go, there's simple, homey style veggies. So there you are. Short ribs. Alright. Toss a lid on there. Seam them up, get them hot. Short ribs are done, so now I'm gonna start plating. Veggies are on the plate there. Alright, oh, here we go. Some more veggies. Kind of like that one. So beautiful, lovely short ribs. Oh yeah. I love short ribs. Such a nice thing, really. Oof, 2 big ones there. All right. Well, that's all right. Let's switch out this one for a bigger one. Okay. All right. So that. So this one. You know, later we can fight over that one. All right. Now, on the gravy. Gravy. Oh yes. No, it's quite good tasting gravy, so I didn't really have to add any butter. Wow. Okay. Nice. Okay. Thanks. Oh yeah. Short ribs. Just hungry looking at it. And mushrooms, onions, over top there. Ooh. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Shiitake mushrooms and some onions. Voila. Voila. All right. So, always clean the plate, making sure it looks pretty. And there is your short ribs. Home style, Beaumont style. Only way it goes, really. It's like, really think, you know, it's a nice meal anytime, right? It's my birthday today, so this is a good birthday meal. So, voila. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Some nice juicy short ribs. That was really awesome. So, hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe. As I said, the tons of videos on my channel, and they're growing. So, you definitely want to check that out. And also a suggested video to check out is I suggested one in the video, which was chicken stock, and now I'm going to suggest beef stock. Just click above for the beef stock you'll need for the short ribs. So definitely check out the beef stock. So my food question of the day is, what is your favorite comfort food? What's the food that you go to when you just wanted like a little bit of comfort? Get that in the comments. Let me know. I want to know what. This upcoming video is going to be stir frying, so you definitely want to check that out. So, and that's definitely one of my comfort foods as well. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.